A jury is now deliberating in the vehicular homicide case of Jonathan Ryser. He's accused of killing a cyclist after hitting her with his tow truck in June of 2020.
KREM 2's Shannon Mowdy has been in the courtroom all day long and explains now what Ryser said in his own defense.
The jury started deliberations late this afternoon after hearing from Jonathan Ryser himself about his version of that collision. Jonathan Ryser was one of the last witnesses called in his vehicular homicide trial.
Pretty much at the last minute, kind of like, cut in front of me somewhat, and, struck the, we struck. I mean, it happened pretty quick.
He's accused of hitting and killing Kerry Wiltzius with a tow truck in June 2020. Ryser admitted he smoked marijuana the night before and took a pill hours before that collision.
Just pick me up. Anticipating. Fridays for me were really, really busy, so I just for a little energy pill thing.
He admitted he'd bought it from another driver and assumed it was an illegal drug. Prosecutors say Ryser had meth in his system, and he acted recklessly that morning.
Is it the decision of a rational, sober person that with oncoming traffic coming at some distance, and this being a solid yellow line that says I should not pass, that I'm going to go ahead and make this passing decision? And we all know how that worked out. It resulted in Miss Wiltzius' death.
But his defense attorney says under Washington law, just taking meth and driving isn't enough to convict him, and that Ryser passed field sobriety tests after the crash.
So they have to prove that it is impaired the person's driving, it impaired the individual's ability to operate a motor vehicle. That's the legal threshold that you have to make.
The jury got the case around 4 this afternoon, so the earliest we can expect a verdict is Wednesday. Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.